Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install the ambient door sill lights on your Range Rover Velar. This is a 2024 Velar, but this will work for any Velar 2017 and up. It only takes less than a minute to install this, so I'll show you guys step by step on how to do it. So come on in. This is the part we're going to be changing out. It's going to come in a one-piece unit. It's just plug and play, so we just pull this off, plug in our factory connector and all the clips. It's going to fit perfectly, just like a factory finish. So this product is available on our website at weekendgarage.com. We ship from our North America warehouse. So if you guys got any questions, you can also email us at info@weekendgarage.com. So let's get started on this install tutorial. So our door sills come in a pair. It's going to come for the passenger side and the driver's side. So first off, we're going to remove this boring plastic plate. What you want to do is just use your hands, grab the edge, and just pull up. Pull straight up towards you, and you'll see there's a clip on the bottom. You want to come closer? So to get this clip out, you're going to press this button and just pull out. It's just a holder for the original factory connector, so it's not really plugged into anything. As you can see, this is the factory one, and this is ours. All the Land Rover and Jaguar prints are on there, and the actual product number. It's all highlighted here. And all the clips are included with the foam around, preventing any vibration. So you are receiving an OEM Plus quality product from us. So there's the differences. Now we're going to put this aside. And what you want to do is grab this factory connector, work your way around here. And just plug it in. Is it close enough? You can see. So we're going to plug it in here, turn it around, and then it'll turn on right away. So now it'll follow the sequence of your door. And to install it back, it's just 4 straight clips. So you're just going to press down. No tricks or tools required. So we want to make sure it's lined up before you press down. So once you line it up, so we're just going to press it evenly all the way across. Make sure all 4 clips are locked in. And your product is now ready for use. There's no programming required or any special techniques. Alright everyone, so as you guys can see with the finished product, it looks much better and gives it more life down here. Usually it's pitch black. So as you guys can see, the installation was very easy. Even my grandma could do it. It only takes less than a minute. All you got to do is pull it out, plug the new connector in, and push it back in. So if you guys got any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below, or email us directly at info@weekendgarage.com. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a wonderful day.